welcome to Two Weird Beans in a Van.
In this video we wanted to share a brief van update on a weekend trip to the Cannock area of natural beauty. It's been a while since we've done a van build related video, and there's a good reason for this which we'll get into in a moment. So continue watching for a bit of a van update and a trip to a special tree. And if that's not a hook, I don't know what is.
So it's been a while since we've done a van video, and you might be wondering why we're suddenly sleeping in the van when the last time we saw, I don't think we even had a floor or walls or even a bed. So what happened was we had all our footage of the van stuff and the memory card just wiped itself completely and we were gutted. It got rid of so much footage and yeah, we lost everything. We tried everything to recover it, it just didn't work. So we lost a lot of footage. After that, we then just got a bit sick of it and we just got a bit fed up, didn't we?
What you mean is that extreme laziness kicked in and we just thought, I can't be bothered to do all this filming again.
Yeah.
Which is why we'll never be famous YouTubers, because we can't be bothered to go back and redo all the work that we did. So we have some filming from the later stages of the build, but most of the middle stuff got lost completely. So probably won't ever see any of that.
So we're sort of skipping to the better part, if I'm honest, where we've actually got a bed and cupboards and a sink. We're in our bed. Look at this.
Yeah, we've got bed, we've got cupboards. Most of the van is done. It's kind of like, it's almost done, it's usable, but like, you know, ignore the door. Door is an ongoing little issue. But most of it is done, it's livable, and we've just had our first night in it.
Yay. And the bed is so comfy cosy.
It is actually really comfy.
We went for Dunelm's memory foam bed. Do you know what? It's so comfortable. And because we push the bed in and the mattress flips up, rather than buying two separate pieces of foam, which would have cost a lot of money, we literally got a king size bed and cut off the bit that we needed and then just fold that back.
But for now, we've got our cups of tea. And the campsite that we're staying at, we're in a Cannock area of natural beauty at the moment, and there's a cafe literally over the road from where we're staying which does a vegan breakfast.
Yeah,
so
full English vegan breakfast.
We're winning. So we're going to head over there in a bit and enjoy that.
Yeah, we'll show you a bit of the van, we'll give you a little bit of a tour of what we've done, what still needs doing, and then we'll take you on our day with us. We're going to go and explore some of the Cannock Chase.
Having optimistically planned a day out in nature, after breakfast it started chucking it down with very little sign of stopping, so we detoured into some indoor plans for the day.
Smooth.
Yeah.
So good.
It's definitely not as smooth as I thought.
So good.
Anyway, enough of us failing to ice skate, let's get on with the van update.
Welcome to our crib. No, I'm not doing that. Come in. This is our van tour so far. And firstly, I want to show you this very unfinished door. Ignore this bit, ignore that. This is the bit I'm quite proud of. It's a thermal blackout blind curtain thing with little suckers on. And what I did is I did a double layer of bubble wrap insulation and then thermal blackout material on either side, sewed it to the size, put these poppers on, and yeah, it keeps the light out, but it also means it keeps the warmth in or keeps the heat out if it's a warm day. Our pretty sink. So this one we made ourselves, our copper pipe tap.
It swivels.
And it swivels. And these are pretty stick-on tiles that I got. Just finish it off. And the actual kitchen surfaces here and here, they're made from old scaffolding boards, and they were pretty grubby when we first got them. So we had to literally clean them all off with a pressure washer, scrub them with soap and water, let them dry. But this is the finished product. And we put like a sealant paint over the top that's food safe, but it means that any water gets on here can easily be cleaned off. Then we've just got this little camper van sink, and then we have a foot pump down here. So I'll show you. We get water. Just like that. And then inside here is our water thing. So we've got our fresh water tank here that goes up and through the pump. And then we have our grey water that comes down. Yes, that's a funnel. But it comes down and it goes into the grey water tank. That is basically that whole cupboard. On this side, not quite finished yet, as you'll see from the sort of gaps everywhere, but we have the same scaffolding planks. We have our little domestic fridge with our bin bag in the way. We have drawers with everything in them. We have a cupboard that's not finished yet, but it will have shelves and things in there for plates. More nice tiles. Eventually we'll put something on here, maybe a spice rack or something, and we will have kitchen cupboards up the top. Exactly the same as these ones. So these are our clothing storage cupboards. Yeah. And what we've done with all the cupboards is we've used this Hessian bag, and it just, with a frame, we've literally just stapled around the edge, and it's just made a really lightweight solution for a cupboard without using too much wood. We have our chairs here, which not the comfiest chairs in the world. We probably made them a little short, but fine. We'll probably have a little bit of a table here. We can eat our dinner. And then underneath the chairs, it's storage. Lots and lots of storage. Bed. I think we showed it, but we'll probably do an overlay of what happened. But it's literally pulls out, we flip the mattress, make up the bed, and then push it all back away when we're done. And then under here, it will eventually, we're hoping to sort of cover all this bit and it'll be a pull-out drawer. But under here we have our heater. I don't know how well you're going to see under here. We have our heater here, batteries here, and all various electric stuff, plus a little bit of storage. Oh, and a nice little stained glass window that we got on Facebook Marketplace. And you can open it up, so you can pass things through if you need to. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about the toilet. This is a curtain, obviously, but behind the curtain is our toilet. We went for the Simplu composting toilet, and yeah, it works pretty well actually. We've got the fan with the carbon filter. You might be able to hear that running, but it really works. And eventually we'll have some more storage up here, and we'll put some curtains across here and lots more storage back here as well. We have some USB chargers. We have some little pockets for storage next to our head so when we're sleeping, put our phones and books in. Yeah. So we actually have some nice weather today. It's not the rainy day that it was yesterday. So we're going to go and head out now and explore some of the Cannock Chase. Going to go for a walk, see what there is. Yeah, come join us.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This morning we're being very stereotypical vegans, and we've come all the way out here on this particular walk to find a special tree. The tree is supposed to look like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy or an Ent from Lord of the Rings. So that was enough to get us excited to come and find this tree.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So that's it for this video. This is just a really short one to give you a little bit of an update on the van and where we're at. As you can see, we're kind of almost done, just a few minor cosmetic things to finish off, and we can actually start using it now, which is really exciting.
It's really fun to be in, and yeah, so excited to be exploring in it.
When the van's finished completely and all those final bits are done, we'll do a proper full van tour at that time and show you exactly what we've done and how everything works and where everything is. But we just wanted to do this little one just to kind of update a little bit because so much has happened since the last video that we did.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
What is that? Look at that.
I think I got bumped.
Look at the state of us.
Snotty.
This morning we're out. You good?
That's right.